Man dies following crash in Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 7 TV News Report. One man died as a result of injuries he sustained in a motor vehicle crash on the Four Paths Main Road in Clarendon on Friday. Reports are that about 3:50 p.m. the driver of a Probox motor car was traveling on the roadway when he lost control of the vehicle. Reports are that the vehicle crashed into a parked truck. The injured driver was rushed to hospital where he was pronounced dead. The identity of the driver has not yet been ascertained. This has been Links 7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.